G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I thought I'd show you how to make a gluten-free batter. And well, today I thought I'd use the batter on something that, well, I know a lot of people that have celiac disease can't have, and that is a battered sav. There's nothing better than a battered sav or a Dagwood dog or a corn dog. And people that can't have gluten generally can't eat these again. And I know a friend of mine, she really wanted one. So I made her one and she really liked it. So I'm going to be using the same recipe today. So how about I'll show you how it's done. So to make this batter, all I'm using is, I've got some gluten-free flour, corn flour, an egg. And for the liquid, I'll be using tonic water in this. And of course, you'll need your hot dogs or your sav or whatever sausage or piece of fish or meat or potato scallop you want to add in. Now I've got some vegetable oil in a pan here, so I'll start that heating up and we'll start making the batter. I've got myself a bowl, and into this we'll add 1 cup of this gluten-free flour. We need 1/4 cup of cornstarch, or corn flour this one is. We need 1/2 cup of tonic water. And 1 egg. And now we just need to mix this all together. There we go, the batter's nice and ready now. Ooh, it's looking good. So now we just need to dip our sausages in, give them a good coating. And I'm pretty sure this oil's ready, so just chuck these in. They've got a good coating of the mix on there too. And now we just need to cook them until they're nice and golden brown all over. Pretty easy, huh? Alright, well some of these look nicely cooked, don't they? So I'll move them onto a plate with a bit of a paper towel there to soak up any excess oil. And there you have it. Some gluten-free homemade Dagwood dogs. Yummo! Now all I need to do is add some of your favourite salt on here. I'm going to put some chicken salt on. Alright, well, here we have it. How easy was that? Mate, it's so easy. Let's give one a go. It should have cooled down by now. Woo! Oh, mate. Looking good, huh? And tasting nice as well. Although I'm pretty sure it'd taste nicer with some dead horse. Oh, yeah. Yummo. Well, there you go, a super simple gluten-free batter for your fish and chips or your Dagwood dogs or potato scallops or whatever you want to put batter on. It's super easy to make and it tastes really good. Anyway, I hope this video helps you with your specific dietary needs. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then. Oh yeah.